We're all set then for the Honda Cadet final here for round 10 of the Whilton Mill CART CLUB Championship 2019. Away we go then, very, very short hold on the lights, but a good start from those at the front of the field. 9 minutes, in fact no, shorter, 8 minutes plus 1 lap due to time constraints. And early on it's going to be Jaydan GREGG leading them up to the first corner. Ryutaro SAKAI looking racy there, going for 5th place. Morgan Hill's not had a good start, he's moved back to I think about 6th position. So that's not a good start for Morgan Hill at all. Oh, there's a spinner. Oh, and there's a big hit there in about 10th place. We'll try and work out who it was in a few moments' time. I don't think it's any of our key runners. They're all still circulating as normal. There's your leader, Jaydan GREGG, number 7. It looks like Devon NOLAN, yes, the number 54, is just behind him. So he's going to come round to finish lap number 1 here in the Honda Cadet final. So kind of a little bit wide there. It's GREGG from NOLAN, ISLIN, Thompson, Morgan Hill there in 5th, SAKAI, MORTENSEN, CHEEK RHP, Racing in 10th. And where is the championship leader? Where is Spencer Bropham? He's down at the back, so it was involving one of our key runners. Spencer Bropham, who's not had a good day at all so far, is now in trouble in the final as well, and this could really open the door now for Morgan Hill in the number 22. He's got to get a solid result. We know pretty much that the title is going to go, well, definitely the title is going to go down now to the final round in November. What does this mean for Morgan Hill? Does he know that his championship rival is in a spot of bother in this one? There's a good battle going on. I think Alfie Thompson has got Ryutaro SAKAI right up behind him. Fights over 4th place. Yes, in fact SAKAI has got through past Morgan Hill into 5th place. So 6th for Morgan Hill, as it stands, would leave Bropham with a 3-point lead going into the last round of the season. Leaving with Bropham on 1:2.09, Hill on 1:2.06 by my calculations. Very close stuff indeed. Jaydan GREGG won't mind about this though. Out front, just where he wants to be. That's a fastest driver, to be honest, so far today. That's a big appearance so far this season. Whilton Mill CART CLUB is the winner of round number 5. 5 minutes on this one to go. Not really all his own way at the moment. There's Devon NOLAN still there in 2nd place. Could do with some help actually. This is the 3rd place. Sidelines. It's a good shot going on for 4th place. This is really where it's the key story is, championship-wise, is Morgan Hill. Morgan Hill down up to 4th place. Take the championship lead, needs to finish 2nd in this race. But now on the inside he's got past SAKAI, so that's back up to 5th now for Morgan Hill. Now if he can get past Alfie Thompson, get a good quick couple of laps in, he could break clear of this group. Joe CHEEK still in there as well. CHEEK having a better run in this race. He's had a bit of a disappointing day so far with some of his elite results. Still fighting, of course, with Ryutaro SAKAI for 3rd place in the championship. Thompson still on this train. Jaydan GREGG continuing to lead out front. It's over 2nd, that's his good work. Devon NOLAN, as I said before, He just needs someone to help him. 2 engines better than 1, and up the inside goes Hill on Thompson now. Is that going to release all of these drivers? Alfie Thompson's been doing some good work defensively, and is now having a little look down the inside of Joe Cheek. There's contact and a spin there for Joe Cheek, and he's gone round. He was tipped into the spin by Alfie Thompson, and he's not happy about that at all. So that is good news for Morgan Hill, because he's now broken away from the rest of this pack. He's got to hit it hard now to try and catch up to Lewis Island. It's a big jump though. The gap is about 2.5, maybe 3 seconds, and with only 2.5 minutes on the clock, he's going to have a similar problem to Devon Nolan trying to catch Jaydan GREGG. Just nobody to help him. So let's give it the times. Yeah, it's 1.22 seconds between first and second. A further 2.7 seconds back to Lewis Island, and then Morgan Hill 2 seconds behind that. So these two regards championship, it's a 1 point. 1 point between Rocket and Hill going into the members round. Do make sure that you're out for that. Not around for that. Make sure you subscribe to the Alpha Live YouTube channel. Click that notification bell. Get notified when the next stream is going live. It'll be the 4th Sunday of every month. And spin there for the number 7. Oh, in fact, 2 spinners. 74 and 70. So the 70 of Harrison Mackie and the 74 of Joshua Campbell. Joshua Campbell and MORTENSEN started a long way up the field here. This has not been a good final for Joshua Campbell, unfortunately. Ronnie Coburn, by the way, still the top novice. Jensen Mason's trying to chase him down. 16 Gotta say, look at this. Morgan Hill has been able to close this gap. This has been a brilliant couple of laps for Morgan Hill. He's closed right in on Lewis Island. Still the gap lead hovering around 1 to 1.5 seconds, but this could be a key couple of laps now for Morgan Hill in terms of the championship. Can he close in and overtake Lewis Island to provisionally at least tie up the scores with 1 round to go? Oh, he's alongside through the king. Oh, that's very brave from Morgan Hill. No, he ducks out of it. I thought he had the run. He might. I think he got too good a run out of turn 2 actually, and got caught out by how much speed he had going through Fine Lady. But he's definitely got the pace here at the moment to get past Lewis Island. He's just got to pick his moment correctly. There's going to be 1 more lap after this one once time expires. Just for the record, to see where Spencer Brotham is at the moment. Well, he's retired. He pulled off. As side by side, Island defends from Morgan Hill. Morgan Hill's got to be smart about this. Got to pick his moment. Surely on the run up to Christmas is the place to do it. Round the final corner on the penultimate lap, Island goes defensive. That's good for Hill because he should get a good slingshot now through the crook and up through Fine Lady, up towards Christmas. Here they are, and Island will go defensive. Morgan Hill's going to be brave here around the outside and maybe try the switchback. He is going to try the switchback. Oh, there's contact between Island and Hill, and Island just about holds on to 3rd place for now. He defends hard now, and SAKAI is not too far behind. This might bring him back into it. They're side by side, and Morgan Hill to try and tie up the championship. Can he get past Lewis Island? Is he down the inside into Otis? Yes, he is. Oh, and shuts the door, does Lewis Island. Brilliant defensive driving, and look, Sakai's right there now as well in the pink helmet. But it's going to be Jaydan GREGG round the final corner. What a day he's had. He wins round 10 of the Whilton Mill CART CLUB Honda Cadet Championship. 2nd to Devon Nolan, 3rd to Lewis Island. But look, Morgan Hill's fallen down the order. 4th for Thompson, 5th for SAKAI, and in the end it's P6 for Morgan Hill, and what turned into a potential